Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here, and I have debated on making this video for a couple days because I'm throwing myself under the bus a little bit. Yep. I am admitting to not being perfect. Yep. So I'm going to tell you about the one of the biggest mistakes I've made personally in my network marketing business. And I think it's gonna help a lot of you. Okay, it's gonna help a whole lot of you because I have a lot of friends on my Facebook timeline and followers in YouTube who are in network marketing. So let's talk. Okay. All right. So let me start by telling you a story that's totally gonna make sense. So the other day, I think it was Sunday, I was listening to our CEO give a training, and our CEO happens to be an industry icon. Our CEO is Holton Buggs. If you don't know who Holton Buggs is, hey guys, if you don't know who Holton Buggs is, go Google him. Like seriously, he's one of the top income earners in network marketing, if not the top income earner in network marketing. He knows what he is doing. He started from nothing. I think his first 5 years in network marketing, he never made more than $500 a month, and he became a seven-figure a month earner. So that's when he talks, you want to pay attention. But here's what happened. So I'm listening to his training, which was phenomenal, and I'm folding clothes. And I thought, whoa, if he was standing in front of me or I was sitting in a room and he was talking, I wouldn't allow myself to be distracted. I wouldn't be doing anything. I wouldn't be playing on my phone. I wouldn't be, Googling something else. And yet there I was listening to one of the most influential people in network marketing, and I was folding clothes. And today I did it again. I was listening to a training. I have two screens. I'm in my office right now, and I have two computer monitors, and I'm listening to a training, and I'm doing other stuff on my other screen. Am I really engaged? Am I really listening to the training? Am I even taking notes? Nope. And so I was like, okay, I've got to go live on this because I need to call myself out first of all. And I need to call my friends out because this is my lesson. Okay, my first couple years with my first company. I don't know why my screen's reflecting in the mirror behind me, and it's distracting me because I'm ADD. Okay, so my first couple years with my first company, I went to every meeting that was available. I went to our conventions. I went to every local meeting. I went to every training. I did extra trainings. I went to Tony Robbins. I went to John Maxwell. I went to local events that Eric Worre did. I read all the books. I was totally engaged. But most importantly, guys, this is what I'm telling you. This is the takeaway I want you to take away is, yes, we have access to be able to watch people online, but it is not as valuable as going in person. Just isn't, because you do not get the energy of the room, the people, the speaker, the energy. You don't get it when you're watching a video, and you do not capture the vision, which is directly related to the energy. Okay? So remember, I'm calling myself out. About 3 years into my network marketing business, I quit going to stuff. I quit going to convention. I thought I knew everything. I did. I thought I knew pretty much everything. And guess what? Month after month after month, I became less engaged and I became more frustrated because I wasn't getting a refill. I wasn't going and getting refilled of my energy. I wasn't going and getting a refill or a reboot on the vision. So my advice for you today is, if you are in network marketing, I don't care what company you are with, make it an absolute must, not even a priority, it should not be non-negotiable. You get to convention, you get to trainings that they have locally, because guess what? It's going to fuel you for your business. It's not about them at that point, guys. If you want to succeed in your business, Make it a non-negotiable. And one of the reasons it started ruminating was Holton Buggs told us that. He hadn't missed one company convention in the 29 years. He actually said he missed part of one time because he had a family situation. But okay, 29 years, he made 28 conventions. Okay, guys, so that really convicted me. So here's another thing. Do not say I cannot afford to go. Don't even say it. This is your business. This is your business, and you can't afford not to go. So make an investment. It's estimated. Everybody who goes to these meetings say that it puts your business ahead about 12 to 18 months. Because you're going to get that energy. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I say energy is everything. So guys, go to the convention. Get there. If you're in iBoomerang and you're watching this, because that's the company I'm with now, seriously, why would you choose not to go get your body in the same room with Holton Buggs? Like, take a bus, take a train, carpool, ride your bicycle, swim. I don't care what you got to do, but get to the iBoomerang grand opening in August. But if you're with any other company, get to your conventions, guys. Get to the trainings. Invest in going in person to learn new things, because it's gonna just make more of an impact on your business. So that's all I've got for you today. I love you guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. Get to the meetings. Go register right now. Go do it. Okay? All right.